Today we have a 2011 ML350. We'll be replacing the air cabin filter. To replace the air cabin filter, most people will tell you to go into the car and take out the glove box. However, I learned something while working here from Carol Gibbs. Can't take any credit for this one. We're gonna have to remove this and reach in here and we can get to the air cabin filter. So I've now removed this out the way. All you have to do is just pull these tabs up, as you can see, and exposes the air cabin filter right there. So all we're gonna do is just reach in, pick it up. I kind of think I need to use two hands for this, let's see. But just pick it up and pull her out this way. All right, so just keep working it all around. Pull her out, like so. On the other side, just push to the side. And pull her out. Save yourself 30 minutes there, so let's go ahead and put the new ones in. So we have our new cabin filters here. So we're gonna install these new ones in. Keep in mind the orientation that these came out. As you can see here, there's an arrow on the side, shows airflow going downward. As you can see, these do too. So first what we're gonna do is just slide one in, like so, setting it in place, sliding it over, and then putting the next one in. Same thing, orientation, airflow downward. Go ahead, slide her in, just work her in, and you'll be done. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this in with both my hands, and we'll close it up. As you can now see, our cabin filters have been installed. We can go ahead and throw the old ones out, and go ahead and reinstall this. As you can see, there are these little pegs at the bottom that have to fit down there first. Like so. Oh, a little off, but you guys get the gist. Put that down, clip this in, and we're good to go. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And like I said, can't take any credit for this. All Carol Gibbs' idea. Look him up on YouTube. His YouTube channel is coming up soon. I'll have a link to it. So thanks for watching.